Hello everyone, friends. In this video I'll explain how to trade on the FxPro broker. But first of all, of course, you need a registered account. If you don't know how to do this, I've recorded a video, so follow the link and register. And for those who already have an account, just watch this video and repeat all the steps I take. First of all, you need to go to the website. Well, to be honest, I really didn't like how the website looks on a phone, and it's extremely inconvenient. That's why I suggest downloading the app right away, because this broker has its own app. On the website itself, this is what the tab looks like, where you can go to the App Store and download this app. I already have it downloaded, so I'll open it right away. This is what our app looks like. At the bottom we have the main screen, a deposit menu, trading, a calendar and a profile. Let's go through everything step by step. On the main menu you have the option to top up your deposit. And you can also open a trading account. If you don't have one, you can create it. This is a real account. Let's do everything step by step. So we select create a real account, and the app offers us several types of trading accounts. The first, FxPro Standard, is for those with a small deposit. You can start trying it out with just $1. Next is FxPro Raw Plus with a minimum deposit of $250, and the third account is Elite, where the minimum deposit is $10,000. Let's open the first account, so we select Continue with Standard and choose the leverage. I will pick 1 to 2,000. We also choose the trading method, grid or hedging. I'll choose hedging and click Create Account. Now let's see how to make a deposit in this app. Look at the bottom. There is a deposit tab, select it, and you'll immediately be presented with all the available options you can use to fund your broker account. I highly recommend that everyone learn how to use cryptocurrency because it's very convenient now and deposits are credited within minutes. That's why, without hesitation, I use deposits via USDT, so select USDT, continue, and choose the network. By the way, I suggest choosing the Arbitrum network right away because it has the lowest fees, and this way a deposit address is generated for us. We simply copy the provided address and then send the exact amount of funds that you wish to deposit on this broker to that address. Next, there is the Trading tab. Navigate to this tab, and by using your mobile phone, you're able to trade on this broker's platform. To open your very first trade, you need to select Quotes at the top left and then find the trading pair that you need. Let's take, for example, the Euro-Dollar pair. To open the trading chart, we need to select the center area where we see... Here we select a piece of the chart in the center and the chart automatically opens on the right. We can expand it and open a trade. Let's open a trade. Suppose it's a sell trade. We click cancel to go back and check how our trade is doing. There to the right of quotes, there's a trades tab, and we can see the trade we've opened. If we select it, we can modify this trade. All the necessary information drops down for us to adjust the trade, set stop losses, and take profit. We select it and choose edit trade. A chart also opens up for us. And here, as you can see, you can set a take profit and set a stop loss, then we go back. And to close this trade, you just need to either swipe left, a menu pops up for us, or you can also just tap on this trade and at the bottom. On the right you'll see close with profit. We also have a trade history here. Next, if we go to the next menu, we'll see that there's a news calendar here which shows what's going to happen on the market in the near future. There's also a calendar history, and you can even see what's coming up tomorrow, or open up the whole week to take a look. And if we open any of the data, we even get more detailed information about that news item. There's also a profile menu where you can set up security settings, which I highly recommend you do. Two-factor authentication or Face ID. After trying to trade with this app, I'll be honest, I didn't really like it that much. Because it's not very convenient to set take profit and stop loss, having to enter all that manually. I'm just used to the old way, let's say, using MetaTrader 5. So let me show you, for those who are used to the so-called old school and use MetaTrader, I'll show you how to open a trading account, so you need to go back to the menu. Select Main, choose the trading account, and at the bottom left, there's a little cross icon there. Select it. Now we have all the information needed for MetaTrader 5. At the top is the login. Now let's open MetaTrader 5. If you don't know what it looks like, here's the icon. I'm opening it. I select Settings at the bottom. On the right, I choose New Account. I type FxPro. Here, where it says Server, I select FxPro MetaTrader 5. We select the login that we copied. And now, pay close attention. Now we go back into the app and need to find the password. Here it's as hidden as possible, so we need to type recent at the bottom, select it, and now we should receive a message. to the email where, as I understand it, a one-time password will be sent. Let's try again. Here it is. A message to the email. We go to the email, they've sent us the password, here it is, we copy it and click login. Now the MetaTrader 5 trading terminal has loaded, which I consider to be one of the best choices and options for trading using our smartphone. Guys, subscribe to this channel, there will be a lot of useful information here that you will definitely need.